Isa, what letter is this?
Mommy, oo. Baby, oo.
Okay. What's this word? Usa.
Usa.
It starts with letter U. Oh, you put U here.
Mom,
You put it here. Hurry. Put it.
it's like this.
Yeah, put it. It's like a small face. Oh. You write it. I'll help you with the first one. Okay, like that lang. Very easy. Oh. This one, what's this word?
Oo.
Unan.
Unan.
It's a?
Pillow.
Yeah, it's a pillow. Okay.
My pillow queen.
Yeah. You put the letter U there
Okay.
to complete the word unan. Yeah. Good. What's this?
Oo.
Ulan. What's ulan?
It's raining.
Yeah, rain. What letter is missing? The?
It's
Ooh, yes.
oo.
I'll put it here to complete ulan.
When it starts raining outside, we can't play.
Yeah, you put ooh. Yan, good. This one, grapes. Ubas. Say ubas.
Ubas.
Okay, put U there
Where's it?
to complete
Where's
ubas.
the ooh?
Yeah, this one. Ooh. Put it there.
Is it there?
Yeah.
Is it down there?
Yeah, it's missing. You put it. Good. Ugat. This is root. What's missing? What's the missing letter? The? Ooh. Put it.
Where's it?
You put it. You sit on your chair. You sit on your chair, baby. Go back to your chair. And put U here to complete ugat.
Is it up there?
Yeah, it's up there.
Not down there?
Not down there. You put it on the line.
A line?
Yep. Good. What's this? It's a vegetable. Upo.
Upo.
Put U.
What is her favorite?
Is it your favorite? Do you eat this? Put U.
Yay.
Upo.
Upo.
Put kalabasa. Upo. Vegetable. It's a green color. And it's so big. Good.
Mommy, what's your favorite food?
Food.
What's your favorite vegetable?
Vegetable. Sigarilyas.
Mommy, what's your favorite fruit?
Atis.
Atis?
Yeah. What's this? U.
When Mama give you atis, it has ant,
Yeah, it's sweet.
and then Mommy don't like it.
I like it. It's sweet. This is ulap. What's the missing letter?
It's this
Ooh,
one.
okay, put it so that they won't be sad anymore, and then they're gonna be complete. Yeah, it's an ulap na. Good. You did a great job. You show it and then say you're done. Say done.
Done.